This is Dima Hejap, visual designer from Fab Lab Makerspace in Jordan. I've been taking this Textile Academy course. I've been working on this beautiful garment, representing my personal experience as a twin, reflecting the twin bond on the nature and how is it more than a human perspective. I made this 3D printed patterns using parametric design and presenting a symbiosis shade. I integrated electronics too, using vibrating motors and LED Chow ESP to actually connect the both garments with Bluetooth as a distance sensor. Made the connection not only be visible but felt, reflecting the connection between the twins. In the past 6 months in Textile Academy, we learned a lot of digital fabrication. And each week, a new door in this world was open. This was once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Come and join Textile Academy.